free. She money.
Oh.
I'm going too crazy. I was supposed to get off the mic, but everybody like keep going shady. But these boys ain't even letting me have it.
I don't know.
I'm trying to change like
That's
Obama. Now that happened.
Baby!
Dog, you ain't gonna tie me up on the rap like I was too time. Dog, I'm just going crazy. I got that A-Rap money, boy, get at me. And we was 6 years old, you thought you was a king. But everybody was looking up to me, thing. Hey, what up, Sin? I got a shout out for you too. I ain't dissing you cause you really my dude. And I remember what happened with you know who. We ain't gonna go that route, but you know who.
Why you mad though?
Yeah, dog, I had your back from the beginning. Yeah, I wouldn't have done that. So you try to kiss me, I wouldn't want that. The other dude, you know who he is, hit that. Whoa! I really see that. Boy, you going crazy. And you wouldn't believe who was it when you called up people saying, "Can I come over, baby?" I was the boy that was in the house. The reason
I don't
she
think
told
so,
you don't
Greg.
come in
We have
is
to
I
get you
was
another
eating
one.
out. Y'all boys ain't really ready for
Okay.
this, dog. And this just ain't, I'm freestyling this far, and I say anything how I feel like. Boy, y'all, they telling me get off the mic, but I'ma keep coming back harder as hard. This victory. So I guess I just won this round. I want you to clap back anything you got to sound. Oh my gosh, boy. I ain't even out of breath. So I get on my knees and thank God for what's left. Because I feel like this is going to keep on going. So them little marks like you said, like I'm just a friend and you try to clown me on Facebook, dude. Come on, them inner word. I'm supposed to be shook with that too. Yeah, I ain't even really scared of nothing. And I'm on this beat harder than... Running, I don't even know. I just keep going.
It don't even matter.
Dog, I just ate you.
It don't even matter.
Hey, if you ain't got that, we live on your stream.
Hold
So keep
on.
playing that back. Hey, what up, Christina? How you doing? Quit calling my phone.
Oh!
Spray the microphone.
That's a PSA.
This is a church sermon. This is a church sermon.
We are not brothers. I don't act like that.
Brother
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hey, Mom. Your son did his thing. What up, dog? What up, Roy? Your boy did his thing. Armor Music did their thing. Hey. Let it drop. Let it drop. Just let that boy drop.
Give this man a choir.
Yes, sir. Hey, peep that beat though, Matt. Greg. There's some headphones right there, bro.
Get on that mic.
Just trying to take his headphones.
Hey,
I'm done. I'm off. I'm on.
What is it?
I'm done.
peep this.
What was you showing me? That
I'm
probably
done. I'm done. She's done. Go. It's over.
I see,
She's
bro.
done. They're done.
Okay.
I see, bro.
I think we ready.
Okay.
Donisha's like,
I woke up feeling better than ever. I know
Grab the
it's
camera.
long overdue, but it's better. Dang.
You got it back? You got it back?
Don't worry, just get it going.
Hey, I'm bringing the beat back. I'm bringing